Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Subhash, cardiologist from Super Specialty Hospital, Anantapur. So today I have attended this CTO workshop at Medicover Hospital, which was organized by Dr. Sharath Reddy sir. So it was very informative and a very useful program, and we have learnt so many things which we don't know about the CTO in this conference. Means especially I was used in CTO and also retrograde re-entry and reverse cart, everything, all these things were detailedly explained, and live cases were also shown regarding these cases, and it was very useful and very informative session, and we have enjoyed the program. Thank you.
I am Dr. Naveen from ESI Hospital, Hyderabad. So I have just attended a CTO workshop conducted by Medicover Hospital. We had a great experience. Hands-on learning was great. It was almost like a one-on-one mentorship session, and all the cases were detailed. The hands-on sessions were also quite excellent, and I had a great time. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Vivek Agrawal. I'm a consultant interventional cardiologist at Solapur, Maharashtra. I visited the 2-day CTO workshop at Medicover Hospital, Hyderabad. It was a great learning experience. A lot of basic stuff as well as the improvisation techniques for CTO were shown live, as well as we had a thorough pre-case and a post-case discussion. And overall, the arrangements were fine, and it was a great experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shravan Kumar Rampalli, consultant cardiologist at Medicover Hospital, Warangal. So today I have attended the CTO workshop, which is done in Medicover Hospital, High Tech City. So it was a very useful workshop. We have known the basics like how to do a CTO intervention, what are all the wires which are to be used. We have learned about the various techniques like antegrade wire escalation, reverse cut, and how to do a proximal cap puncture by using an IVUS. So all these things were new to us, and it was very informative. I recommend everyone to attend such workshops, and I even request Medicover hospitals to conduct more such workshops on chip PCA. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Satya Sudesh. I am associate consultant cardiologist from Yashoda Hospital. I have attended the CTO course here in Medicover Hospitals, and I felt it very informative, and I've learned it was a very good experience for me, and I wish them all the best, and also expect few more such sessions in future. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Vinay, associate cardiologist at Yashoda Hospital, High Tech City. This session regarding CTO was conducted in 2 days. It's a very brief session, focused on specific aspects. It's very good, focused on the particular aspects of the CTO. The live cases are very good. Interaction with the audience is very good. I like to have frequent sessions with this kind of for upgrading our knowledge and skills. Thank you.
I am Dr. Sulabh Chandrakar from Raipur, and I am very thankful to Sharath Reddy sir for organizing this workshop on CTO. It was very informative. We learned a lot from live cases, and hopefully I will be attending again in the future. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Dr. Anirudh. I'm from Kurnool, working in Sri Vijay Durga Cardiac Center. So I've come over here in Medicover to listen Sharath sir's Decoding CTO. It was very informative and refreshing the knowledge, and sir's experience in form of tips and tricks was really good, and I enjoyed it, and I would suggest everyone to attend it if possible.
I am Dr. Pradeep, working as assistant professor in NIMS Hospital, Hyderabad. So I came to this CTO conference, and it was a very nice opportunity to learn about the techniques and devices that we can use in the CTO, and it was a very great learning experience. I'm looking forward to further such classes. Thank you.